Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make beans sprout easy guide. Rinse seeds and soak them for 8 to 12 hours, then drain and keep them moist in a dark place. Check sprouts every 12 hours and rinse gently to prevent mold. Harvest when sprouts reach 1 to 2 inches and have crisp white tails. Store finished sprouts in the fridge and use within 5 days for best freshness. Start with clean mung beans and a simple soaking routine to kickstart sprouting. After rinsing, soak beans in cool water for 8 to 12 hours, using a 3 to 4 times water ratio. Drain thoroughly and transfer to a breathable container or jar tilted for drainage. Rinse twice daily and keep in dim light to encourage white tails. Within days, you will see crisp sprouts ready to enjoy in salads or stir fries. Prevent mold by keeping sprouts well drained and rinsing them every 8 to 12 hours. Maintain a warm but not hot environment around 20 to 24 C to speed growth. Avoid direct sunlight, which can make sprouts bitter. Use indirect light for a short period. If any seeds look slimy, discard them immediately to protect the batch. Taste frequently and harvest when flavor is fresh and texture is crisp daily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.